right. Yeah, you might like it. You might like it up there at the that other. Yeah, you'll be coming down that one.
Oh yeah.
Yep. All right. Hey, so we're gonna try to see if it.
I'm not skid out there.
So yeah, let's go up and up. We'll watch you get set up because it's an unusual thing. I think.
All I do is slide my foot through this little loop and then I'm good to go.
Yeah.
Some places let you, swap on, carry, and then drop in at the top, but they like to have you strapped.
So I imagine you would have skateboarded before, right?
A little bit. I was never good.
Never good at it. But what about the skiing aspect of it? Were you a skier before?
No, I snowboard.
Snowboard. Okay, so you came to it from snowboarding.
Yeah, and it's the same game. You're just playing don't catch an edge.
Right. Okay. So did you make this setup, or does it come like that?
No, I bought this. I had to assemble it, but this is the Hovland brand.
Okay.
They're I mean.
You've only got one strap on there for your toe. Which one do you use, your uphill or your downhill ski? Oh, just for the lift only. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, your angle looks good, Chuck. 8 minutes forward. Yeah, you're right there. Good. All right, we'll try to flank you, and I'll get the best video. Yep. All right. Well. Too bad. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, looks good.
get up there at the, that other, yeah, you'll be coming down that one.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. All right. Hey, so we're going to try and see if it,
I'm glad I get out there.
yeah, so that's Joe. I'm chucking you